Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would give you all a little tutorial on a fun way that you can decorate your graduation cap. So if you've been following along for a while with me on social media and on my blog, then you know that I've been at UCLA for the past 2 years, and before that I was at community college. I'm not gonna lie, it feels like I've been at school for a million years and I am so ready to graduate. I'm really proud of this accomplishment, and I figured it would be really fun to decorate and customize my graduation cap and share with you guys kind of how I did it. So, the things you will need. First of all, you need your graduation cap. That's a given. I personally want mine to be very glitzy and glam because that's me. So I got this sparkly piece of gold paper from Michaels, and this is basically what I'm going to build the top of my cap on, and then I'm going to adhere it to the top of my cap. As for decoration, so you can kind of do really whatever you want on your graduation cap. You can let your imagination run wild. Whatever sort of expresses your personality or your journey or whatever, you do you, put it on your graduation cap. I wanted to do like a fun quote that kind of expressed what I've been through, but also kind of gives off my personality. And because you guys know I love fashion, I chose the quote, you can never be over-educated or overdressed. You can go to Michael's, or I think I got these at Target a while back, but they're just these little letter stickers, and these would work just fine. I also picked out a bunch of different fun little flower decals and some pearls and this really fun trim that I'm going to put around the trim of the hat. So it's really up to you. Like, go to Michael's or whatever craft store that you live near and just like look at what they have and sort of get an idea for what you want to do. That is my suggestion. You're also going to need a hot glue gun. I've already got mine heating up, so it should be ready to go here soon. It probably doesn't hurt to have a pair of scissors because you're going to have to cut your piece of paper to fit your hat.
Okay, so first things first, you'll want to cut your piece of paper to fit the top of your cap. So the easiest way to do that is just line it up, flip it over, and then take a pen and trace around the outside of your cap. It might be a good idea to remove the tassel first, FYI. Trace around your cap, and then you'll take your scissors and just cut out the shape. Make sure you're pretty precise, and voila, it fits. All right, next you have to cut out the circle where the top of your cap is. This part's pretty tricky. What I did is I sort of centered it over, felt around where that top knob was, and tried to trace a circle with the pen. I took an X-Acto knife to cut this out because I felt like it was a little bit easier. Make sure you cut this out on a surface that you don't want to cut up because that X-Acto knife will damage whatever you are cutting on top of. All right, now we have our little hole. You can fit your cap over the top, like so. All right, next get that hot glue gun. Hopefully it's hot and ready to go, and you're just gonna cover the entire back surface with hot glue and place it over the top. Really press it down to make sure it adheres well to the top of your cap. Next, you really want to pay attention to the inside of your cap where it says the front of the cap. This is so important. You want to make sure that you're placing your design in the right direction so that it's not upside down. So that will be the top, this will be the bottom. All right, on this next part, I had some struggles. The first letters that I chose were a little bit too big. They took up too much space, and I didn't really like that because I wanted to have enough room to put flowers and other decorations. So I had to learn it the hard way. It took a while. That's why I'm kind of going a little fast through this part. Then I decided I should probably put the border on. Not really sure why I did this. I think I just wanted to make sure it would fit with and then I would make the letters all fit within those parameters. Stick on the next side, and this trim was so nice because it had an adhesive back, so I didn't have to hot glue it down. Then I'm laying down the last, well, I should say third side. Bam. So I scrapped the first letters. I rearranged my big word here. Took a while. And then I laid down my side, and here we go. So I decided to pink letters because, like I said, they're smaller, and why not? I love pink. So I went ahead and filled in the first part of the sentence up top with these, and I really liked the way that it looked. It kind of makes it pop a little bit more to have the contrasting colors. And then overeducated took me a while to get on there because it just seemed so huge of a word, so I really had to do a lot of rearranging for that one, but I eventually fit it. And here we are. So cute, right? So I have all the flowers and pearls sort of laid down but not glued down. I played with this for a while just to make sure I liked the layout and where everything was. And you really want to do that first before you go in with your hot glue gun because that's when you can't take things back. I decided to cover up that little knob with a flower, and then I just got to work nailing down all the other pieces to my hat. My letters weren't sticking as well as I liked them to, so I used this adhesive glue spray, and it seems to have worked pretty well.
All right, and there we have it, the finished product. I really like the way that it turned out. I'm gonna put the tassel back on once this adhesive glue spray that I put on there dries. It's really fun. It kind of expresses my personality, and I can't wait to rock this on graduation day. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. So hit that subscribe button because I've got so much more fun DIYs and fashion videos for you guys coming soon. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye!